Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Yeah, well, I am prepared to talk about it. So hey all, it's Michelle Maycock Smith. So today we are going to visit the nail salon. It's overdue for me. I haven't been there in a very long time. It's freezing outside. It's only 28 degrees. And lately it's been raining. It's been snowing. It's been freezing. And before I get into all of this, I have to go to 7-Eleven and get me a nice hot cup of coffee so that I can get myself geared up for all that's about to happen. I really needed this. So here we are at Capitol Nails, my favorite nail salon. I've been going here for years. I love the quality of their work, the customer service. The place is large, it's clean. Check out my nails. Look at the overgrowth. I've been sick for almost 4 weeks, so I haven't been able to come. And then that middle finger, I had a little incident with it and it ripped my nail bed. So this angel is really taking care of me, and someone in the seat next to me introduced me to mood changing gel polish. Never heard about it. Nobody told me. I don't know how you guys don't like to share, but look at how good that looks. It looks like an ombre. 1 minute it's red, the next minute it's brown, and sometimes it's just a mixture of both. But she did a spectacular job. I feel like I'm back to normal. And because I haven't been here in a while, look at these feet. Had to take care of those too because these dogs were barking. Arr, 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 arr. So after all that, worked up an appetite, and I'm braving the cold once again, and I am going to go eat. I am going to try out this spot that's local near to the nail salon. It's Mexican. It's tacos. And it looks like it's just a tucked away hole in the wall, but it's actually very, very good. Loved it. But check out the nails, the nails, the nails. Man, prepare to be sick of me because right now I'm looking tight and right. I'm going to be talking with my hands. I'm just going to be doing all the things and making a fool of myself because I'm feeling like a new woman, a new woman. And you can't beat that. Next best thing is to film your outfit for the outfit of the day. Check it out. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye.